Welcome back, I'm Rachel, and in this video I'm going to go over the structure and function of the Quadratus Plantae muscle. Firstly, where is this muscle located? The Quadratus Plantae muscle is located on the plantar surface of the foot. To get a closer look at this muscle, we need to look at the plantar view of the foot. This muscle is located in the second layer of plantar muscles, seen here highlighted in red. The other muscles located here are the lumbrical muscles. Also seen in this layer are two tendons from muscles outside of the foot that attach to the foot. These are the flexor hallucis longus tendon and the flexor digitorum longus tendon. Where does this muscle originate? This muscle originates via two heads, the medial head and the lateral head. The medial head originates from the calcaneus bone, specifically from the medial surface of this bone in a position just under the groove of the flexor hallucis longus muscle. If we take a closer look at the plantar view of the calcaneus bone, we can see highlighted in red where the medial head originates from. The lateral head also originates from the calcaneus bone, but from the lateral process of the calcaneal tuberosity of this bone. We can see here highlighted in red where this lateral head originates from. What is the course of this muscle? The two heads of this muscle merge into a single muscle belly that runs along the plantar surface of the foot. Where does this muscle insert onto? This muscle inserts onto the tendon of the flexor digitorum muscle. The tendon of the flexor digitorum muscle can be seen here highlighted in blue. What arteries supply this muscle? This muscle is supplied by the medial plantar artery and the lateral plantar artery. What about nerve supply to this muscle? This muscle is primarily innervated by the lateral plantar nerve. What actions are this muscle involved in? This muscle functions in the flexion of the four lateral toes, digits 2, 3, 4, and 5, as it pulls the tendons of the flexor digitorum longus muscle. In other words, it functions in the movement of these toes downwards. And that concludes this video on the structure and function of the Quadratus Plantae muscle. I hope you found it helpful.
Thank you for watching. If you want to support this channel, please subscribe and check out more of my videos.